how did you close their 14 lakh with regular premium business? Because many people in your space, वो पूरे साल में 5 लाख बिजनेस नहीं करते हैं. Understand that? How did you close 14 lakh with regular premium selling life insurance policy, LIC policy?
So I met this person. It's been almost 3 months, right?
Hmm.
And his brother has provided me his reference. So
Right.
I happened to meet with him, and it was a good meeting in the first time.
Hmm.
Then he asked me some question keys, there in such plans. So then I advised that yes, surely. So then in the first meeting, we discussed about some solutions,
Hmm.
and then he told me come in the next week. Then we are going to take some uh, robust planning on that, right? We will close something.
Hmm.
So almost for 15 days or almost a month, he was not taking my calls
Hmm.
and dropping me message that I am busy. Or
Hmm.
sometimes he didn't revert me on my WhatsApp SMS also.
Hmm.
So again he called me. Yes, go ahead and we can meet. So then I meet him. Then we finalize the things, and the challenges were he has already invested in private life insurance through his banker. One,
Hmm.
second, his brother, who has recommended his name, was advising him not to go for insurance.
Hmm.
He should invest in mutual fund, RBI bonds. There are a lot of investment stocks, right?
Hmm.
So, and lately I came to know that his own, my client to whom I sold the policy, his own sister is LIC agent.
Hmm.
So these were the challenges, right?
Hmm.
And so fortunately, client agreed to do business with us, and the business was closed with a decent amount, that is 13 lakh 25,000, 13 lakh.
That's wonderful. So now tell me, what was the one thing? What was the one thing which made the whole difference and that helped you to close the business? Even उनकी फैमिली में एक LIC के एडवाइजर उनकी सिस्टर हैं और उन्होंने आपको 13 लाख का बिजनेस दिया. What one thing you think that made the whole difference in the whole game, according to you?
I think a follow up,
Right. Apart from follow, because follow up तो आप करने ही करेंगे.
the fear
What?
of the fear of see, I didn't have the fear of losing the business, so I was very
Right.
confident whenever I talked to him. So I was calm, I was sober, I
Yes.
was in my own aura.
Correct. Now you are right on track. I like it. Because remember that I told you when I asked you how to make phone call, the first thing I told you what? You need to get over the fear of
Losing the business.
losing the business. When you get out that fear that you will lose business, then you are a complete man. You rightly said. People can sense it that कि आप अपने लिए of course हम सारे के सारे human beings हैं. We are in the business to make money. That's the primary part. लेकिन उससे भी एक primary part है that advising people the right authentic thing. आपने काम अच्छा और किया था which you told me last time that उनकी जो HDFC की पॉलिसी थी उसमें उन्होंने एक क्लॉज नहीं था. You tell them this is the gap, right? These small आपको नहीं पता इसका इसका फायदा क्या होता है. How you build the trust. So if I define the whole game, what helped you to got this business 13 lakh rupees? Number one, you are able to implant your image as a complete professional person. Okay, you don't know, maybe you don't know, but the customer understand. They will not tell you that I trust on you, but they subconsciously they start trusting on you. So you implant yourself as a professional person. Second, you are able to build that trust over there by your advisory services, by the way you dress, by the way you talk, and not having the fear to lose the business. Not going on the greed. Okay, if I'll get this much of business, then this much of money I will make. Lot of people do that, right? And third, of course, follow up is important, no doubt about it. And I believe aggressive follow up. You have all the right to follow people aggressively, right? So now, when you close that business, what's your confidence? Like this, yes or no? Now you got the confidence to close a 25 lakh rupees, 50 lakh rupees regular premium, yes or no?
Yes, of
So
course.
next questions. When you are going to break this record, and when you're going to get this 20 lakh rupees regular premium,
Before March, I'm going to.
right? You will do it. If you focus, you will do it.